last after almost 24 hours of waiting, and we got to see it agad. Flying for 1 hour and 45 minutes. It's been reach our final destination. So medyo nakakapagod na. Welcome to Cusco, Peru. It's very nice weather. First impression, pagdating ko pa lang sa airport, people are so friendly. They're very nice. Nabawasan tayo ng isang araw dito. So instead of staying here for 5 days, we're gonna stay here for 4 days na lang. Mas gusto ko pa naman sana magstay mas matagal dito.
Tranquilo, Cusco.
No entiende, señor.
Haha, no entiende.
Kanina pa niya ako kinakausap ng Spanish. Akala niya talaga Espanyol talaga. Sabi niya pala, welcome to Cusco. In the city you can enjoy is Sacsayhuaman, Machu Picchu. Crime-free city daw ang Cusco. Okay guys, welcome to our humble hostel. We are in Hostel Dream House Belen here in Cusco, and this is our room. Stay here for another 3 nights.
Yeah.
And this is Miss Janet of Hostel Dream House Belen. She's so helpful. She managed everything for us. Thank you, Miss Janet.
Welcome to
Malinis siya. Tsaka ganda. The Cusco land is elevated 10,000 feet above sea level. We were advised to have a rest first for 3 hours before going out. Kasi nga, the tendency, if you're not gonna have enough rest, you will have headache, vomiting. Cusco, by the way guys, is situated on the southeastern part of Peru. We are in the middle of the Andean mountain range, and we are situated 11,152 feet above sea level. So we are expecting for an altitude sickness because this place is very low in oxygen. We have to walk slowly. Medyo hinihingal lang ako actually. Now guys, we are going for a currency exchange. I'll give you an information. For $1 is equivalent to 3.86 Peruvian soles. So the currency here in Peru is, we call it soles. Tignan natin kung magkano aabutin ng ating pera. And I think this is their main transportation here in Cusco. Hindi, para lang ako nasa Baguio feels. Hey guys, we're inside the grocery. Mimili muna tayo ng mga kailangan. Bili muna tayo ng tinapay. And senyora, uno empanada de Semana Santa.
Empanada Semana Santa.
Uno. Tawid gutom lang guys. Gutom na ako. So yung baby ko, nakaka-experience na daw siya ng altitude sickness.
Yeah, seriously, I'm not joking.
If you will experience an altitude sickness, what you need to do, hindi kayo nakabili ng portable oxygen. You have to take this. Sa lahat ng hotels, available to. This is what you call the coca leaves. And sabi nila, itong coca leaves daw ay ginagamit pang gawa ng cocaine. Titimpla tayo ngayon. Ang titikman natin ang coca tea. So, portable oxygen. You need it when you're here. Kasi medyo masakit yung ulo ko sa hindi ako makahinga ng maayos. So, how to use this? Ito lang yan. So, kailangan to. Lalo pag bago ka dito. Okay, I think 3 hours rest is enough. It's 7 p.m. now. And we will go out to eat dinner. Maraming restaurants around our hotel. I think they're good naman. So, let's see. Hey guys, we found one restaurant here. Casa Culinaria Marquez. Let's go inside and check. So we're gonna eat here, outside. Oh, it's nice, perfect. So we are here in Casa Culinaria Marquez. The perfect view of the street. Okay, let's order na tayo guys. I ordered this chicha morada. It's made up of purple corn. May purple corn ba? May purple corn. They gave us this. Parang corn din. Okay naman. Ang lasa niya is yung parang sunny orange. Yun yung sikat na juice during the 90s. Ganun yung lasa niya. And ito palang purple corn. Purple maize is a variety of flint maize originating from South America. It is more commonly seen in Peru, Bolivia, Colombia, and Ecuador. Kasi dito pala makikita itong purple corn na yan. Guys, our first order has arrived. This is a quinoa soup. You know, quinoa is very famous here in South America, especially in these countries. Ayan siya. Sa mga nagda-diet, pwede kayo dyan. There is a chicken. We have carrots. And of course, we have the quinoa sa ilalim. That's why they call it quinoa soup. Tikman na natin. Sarap. Really tastes good, man. Our orders already arrived. Fish 3 Peruvian dishes that we will taste tonight. This is a grilled alpaca. Sorry, it's alpaca. Ito yun. Yan ang alpaca. When you go here in Peru, you have to taste this alpaca. Kasi wala sa atin yan. Okay, next we have here the ceviche. It's a seafood dish originating in Peru. Made from a fresh raw fish cured in citrus juices such as lemon or lime, inspired with aji, chili peppers, or other seasonings, including chopped onion, salt, and cilantro. So, in Philippines, it's like what we call kinilaw na isda. And the next one we have here, chicharon. It's a broiled pork. Chicharon ang tawag nila. So, let's eat na guys. Yung alapaka pala, yung kanyang the skin ay ginagawa nilang gano'n. Ginagawa nilang hindi ng damit. So, you can eat it and you can wear it. Cool yung animal na yan. Okay guys, to give you an update, alpaca tastes like reindeer meat. that I've tasted in Finland. Next, ceviche. Siya yung mga kinilaw na isda in Philippines. Kaya lang sila yung lasa. Masosyal lang yung itsura. Sulit guys.